If you're watching this video, that means the giveaway for Matt's GT3 RS is now live. That means you have an opportunity to win this amazing car by buying some great products that we hand selected for the giveaway. Every $1 spent on eligible items will get you one entry into the giveaway. You'll know that a product is eligible if it's on the GT3 RS giveaway page or it has GT3 RS giveaway in the product's title. Additionally, signing up for our Inside the Hex membership program will also grant you entries. That being said, you won't see those entries appear on your account until the very end of the giveaway, as we have to enter those manually. We receive a massive influx of orders during giveaways, especially on one as big as the GT3 RS, so you can expect lead times to be a little bit longer than normal. We estimate at most that it will take up to 2 weeks for you to receive your order, but that's not a guarantee. The giveaway will begin on June 1st, and it will end on July 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. The grand prize winner will be notified via email or phone call on our live stream.
And the winner is Gary J. Okay.
Hey, this is Gary.
Is this Gary J in Arizona?
It is.
This is Matt Mormon in Florida.
This is the biggest giveaway that we've ever done, and with that we have the most products that we've ever had for a giveaway. We paid special attention to bring in something for everyone to be able to buy. So we have things like bags and home goods, we have detailing bundles, and things for your garage. So whether you're looking to spend a lot of money and get a lot of entries, or even just buying a coffee mug and taking your chances, there are options for you. Everyone here at OG is super excited about this giveaway. We really did put a lot of effort into it, so we're ready to pass this car on to its next owner and the winner of this giveaway. As always, if you have questions specifically about the giveaway, let us know in the comments, or you can reach out directly to support at Obsessed Garage.